In today's video, I will walk you through how to correct color grade photos in Adobe Photoshop. To quickly color correct an image in Photoshop, click on the adjustment layer icon and choose Curves. Inside the Curves panel, click on the middle eyedropper tool. Then click on any area in the image that should have been gray in real life. In this example, that area is the road. As soon as you click on it, Photoshop will automatically color correct the image. If you cannot find an area that should have been gray, there is another way to locate one. First, delete the Curves adjustment layer, then click on the adjustment layer icon again and choose Solid Color. In the color picker, enter the hex code 808080, which is 50% gray, and click OK. Now change the blend mode of this solid color layer from normal to difference. Once you do that, the darker areas in the image will represent areas that are closer to gray. Next, create a new layer. Select the brush tool and simply mark the dark area that you want to use as a reference. This marking is only for indication purposes, so you can easily find the spot again. After that, delete the solid color fill layer. Then click on the adjustment layer icon one more time and choose Curves again. Inside Curves, click on the middle eyedropper tool and then click inside the area you marked earlier. As soon as you click, Photoshop will automatically correct the colors in the image. Once the correction is complete, do not forget to delete the indication layer that you created for marking the area. And that's how you can quickly color correct your images in Adobe Photoshop.